here is the actual hydraulic valve here. This is the valve that we are going to replace. Ours is leaking out of the bottom here. I'm not really sure where it's leaking from. So in today's video, we will be actually addressing the 3-point lift hydraulic valve, and I'm losing hydraulic fluid through it. But we're gonna get into it together and examine it. So today's video is sponsored by FridayParts.com. So this is the 3-point hydraulic valve. Here is the actual hydraulic valve here. This is the valve that we are going to replace. Ours is leaking out of the bottom here. I'm not really sure where it's leaking from. To replace this valve, it's actually only 4 bolts that hold it on. You want to pull it out really slowly. And there's our old hydraulic valve. So line it up. Put your 4 bolts in. Just crank each one tight, go around in like a pattern, and get this little plastic piece out here. And you can just put your hand in there and pop it right out. Now we're going to start the machine up and check for leaks. So this right here is a true cold start. This thing hasn't been started in over 2 weeks. Let's see if this thing starts. Alright, everything looks really good. Alright, so I got the new part on. I checked. I don't see anything leaking anywhere.